Instagram story mentions chatbot. So let's see how to maximize lead generation and your brand awareness using a simple Instagram mentions chatbot. So let's say you have a product or service. You can simply ask your happy customers to share their experience by posting as a story and mentioning your brand when they actually post a story. So from there you can actually trigger automations providing them with special offers or discounts or access to new product launches, something like that. So let's see how to build a Instagram story mentions chatbot right here to collect customers phone number and to send specific special discount to those customers. So here so if you go to settings over here and channels Instagram, you have the option to trigger automations based on story mention reply. Automatically reply when someone mention your Instagram in their story. Simple as that. So let's actually have to create a chatbot flow to trigger specific automations and select that particular flow right here. So let me go to the flow section over here and create a new Instagram story mention automation flow. So let me name this one as Static Media Story Mentions and click continue. So here let's send a message to those people who actually mention Charik Media in their stories. So let's send this message. Thanks for mentioning us in your stories. Would you like to receive a special 20% off discount in your next purchase? So this is just an example of providing discount coupons, but you can actually come up with your own offers and special access to some products or like that for your own brand as well. So here let's have this button, yes send me, and when they tap on this button, yes send me, we can simply ask them to provide their phone number. So not just simply providing the discount coupon right in the DMs, we can simply ask them for their phone number, which actually a way for you to collect their phone number and also do SMS marketing as well. So let's get user data, choose get user data and choose a phone number right here, and let's remove the skip button, so they have to enter the phone number to get the discount coupon. And let's say, great, please enter your phone number below and I will send you the discount coupon right away. So let's send this message for them. Great, please enter your phone number below and I will send you the discount coupon right away. So here once they enter the phone number, we have to set the SMS opt-in as well. So here let's do the SMS opt-in as well. Alright, so here we want to send them an SMS. So here let's choose SMS right here and here add the text message. Say check out here and you can simply send your website address as well. Simple as that. So that's the SMS we sent, and we can also send them a DM in the Instagram DM saying, I have just sent you an SMS with the discount coupon. So this will be sent to them through the Instagram and this is the SMS they will be receiving. So very simple flow right here I have just created. So let me click publish over here. Now we have to come back to settings, go to Instagram and choose this particular flow. At Chatting Media Instagram story mentions as this particular flow and click save. So when someone actually mentions you the story, this flow will be simply triggered right here. So let me show how this actually works as well. So here I'm going to create a story. So let me say demo story. So it doesn't matter, just a demo story, and here you can actually add the mentions as well. So here let's try mentioning at and choose Chatik Media. So here I am creating a story and mentioning the brand Chatik Media right here. Let me click next over here and let me simply post this story right here. So let me post, click done. Alright, so the stories has been posted, so it should actually send us a DM, and as you see, and it simply says thanks for mentioning us in your stories. Would you like to receive a special 20% off discount in your next purchase? Simple as that. So let me click yes, send me, and it simply asks me to enter the phone number. So let me enter the phone number right here, 917-243-5673, and let's see what happens. So it should say we have sent you a SMS with the discount coupon. So here I have already received the discount coupon. So it says, hey, here is your 20% off discount coupon IG20, check out here, and I simply receive the SMS right here. So this is just a simple example of how to trigger specific chatbot automations when they mention your brand on their Instagram stories to make more sales and bring more brand awareness. So if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.